Hello and welcome back to Kim's Creations. I am going to do a Dutch pour today on a 10 by 20 inch deep edge canvas. I have it all perfectly leveled, so I'm not going to lift it up and show you the edges. My plan is to have a black base and then do a bunch of reds, grays, and silvers on this and blow it out. So I'm going to get started with this. I am just going to probably fast forward from here as I spread out my paint, and there we go. All right, so I'm going to start off with Deco Art Extreme Sheen in Ruby. And then I'm going to try Arteza's Carmine Red. Nice, beautiful, bright color. And then I've got Liquitex Iridescent Graphite. Give it a nice gray shimmer. Followed by Arteza's Bordeaux Red. Deco Art Metallics in Sterling Silver. And last but not least, Liquitex Cadmium Red Deep Hue. So those are the colors, and I'm going to get layering it on here. I need another paper towel. Okay, I'm going to get rid of that one, and let's start here. How am I going to lay this out? I might do something like that. Let's try it. Oh, that's pretty pathetic ending there. There. Okay. All right, now I'm going to do Carmine Red. Ooh, got a big blob there. That's okay. Got the Iridescent Graphite. Gonna squiggle that in on there. Bordeaux Red. Bordeaux Red is a nice, lovely, rich, deep color. There we go. Silver. This is the Deco Art. I'm sure I give that a really good shake. This bottle is so much easier to squeeze than the other ones. Maybe I just opened it better. Who knows? All right, and I'm going to top this one off by the Cadmium Red Deep Hue. I need to definitely strengthen my fingers, I think. Okay, I'm going to do a little more in here. Cover the silver just a bit more. There. That was a nice, good line. I'm happy with that. All right. Now comes fun part. Now, did I want to add any of this? I did have this off to the side, and it's obsidian. Maybe I will add just a titch. Yeah, just a few little blobs here and there. Okay. All right. Do, do. Gotta bring out Pink Lady. Here she is. My blower. Oh, must pop the bubbles on here first. And yes, there really are bubbles again. Oh, good. All right. Well, I dribbled some in here. Just gonna tap that out with my finger. I have a little spot here, but I'm gonna probably blow up that way, so I'm not too worried about it yet. So I'm gonna blow here first, and then just go with it. Okay. Oops. All right, now I get to just kind of fiddle with this. Ooh, I'm seeing some cool cells coming up in here. That'll be probably from the silver, that Deco Art silver. Yeah, I like that better. Okay. Not bad, not bad. I'm gonna blow up in here. Okay. Gonna move around. I'm gonna blow that out a little bit. really quite pleased with myself on this one. The same paint that I have in here, I have in a squeeze bottle. Just makes it easier for me to make sure that my sides are covered. And it just makes it so easy to come along and do that. And fix my sides. And the paint just drips on down. I'm gonna blow this back in here, I've decided. Proving a little challenging, but you can cheat. Not really cheating, just adding some black. I'm pretty happy with this, I have to say. I am really, really happy with this. The cells are coming out more through here, which is awesome. Got some there. It's that sterling silver that will do it. My torch is running out of go-go juice. All right, I'm gonna put you on pause and we'll come back and take a close look. Okay, I am back for the close-up. It's probably about 20 minutes later. I've cleaned my edges, gotten rid of the drips. I will have to do it again. You can see some drips are starting to form along here again, so I will go back around probably a couple more times. But let's get in and have a look. Look at all the shimmer and shine. Those metallics are awesome. And I still have my studio lights on. And you can see all that shine. I am going to try this with the lights off, and then I'll put the flash on and we will see what we get from that. Okay, I am back with the flash. And you can see all that shimmer and shine. We have the, what was this? The Deco Art Extreme Sheen Ruby. You can catch that shine right in that area there. And of course, all the silvers from the light through to the dark were metallic as well. And that's creating some really fun shine on here. There's the ruby. Look at that. Just delicate, delicate shimmer and shine. All right. Well, let me know what you think about this piece. Put your comments in the comment section below. Thank you so much for joining me on this particular Dutch pour. If you like what you've seen, please hit the thumbs up button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. Well, subscribe and then hit that notification bell so that the next time I put out a video, you'll be notified. All right. Till the next time, thanks for watching Kim's Creations.